Welcome to Nuer-Language School. Today lesson we are going to learn about greetings in Thok Nath and in English. We will start by learning basic greeting. Tin konen barang itin gwazeme roban deran ki deriran larmala kaja ki jikni. Jigni shirkan ke greetings ka Thok English. So kuja mo gore jano biraro da kabuka gwasame. Okay. Today you will learn something useful. So just pay attention. First thing first is hello. Hello. Male. Hello. Male. Hi. Male. These two, hello and hi, in Thok Nath mean the same thing. You can say male or hi, or hello, hello. Hello, male. Hi, male. When you want to greet a Nuer person, I prepare you to say male because they will love it. They love this. Okay, male. When you want to say good morning, good morning. Male karunwa. Male karunwa. But sometimes they don't use it that way, okay? Use no more. We prepare to say when somebody greets you good morning. You can say this in your language. She, we can say shibak ke mal. Okay, just simple like that. Shibaka mal. That is a formal way. Be lar, like good morning. You can say shibaka mal. Shibaka mal. Remember this. Okay, it just only work for addressing individual, just one person. We can just indicate it by s, which is singular. We can say singular. Okay, Shaba Kamal, that is good morning. When people are many, you can say Shabak Kamal. Okay, hold on. Shabak Kamal. Okay, this is plural. We can put p on it. So Shabak Kamal mean good morning. Shabak Kamal mean good morning. Okay, or sometimes you can just use male kuruno. But if you want to be a person like using Thok Nath, you can just simply say Shaba Kamal, good morning, Shaba Kamal. Shaba Kamal for many people, Shaba Kamal. Okay, another way of greeting. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Malek Shangdar. This is one way. Good afternoon, you can say Malek Shangdar, but we have other way of saying it. The best way, okay? Shia, boot. Okay, let's start with she. And please be familiar with she. She is for singular she. Boot, okay? Mal, which is S. We can put S here. Indication of singular. Shibut kama, like good afternoon, malak shangdar, but I prepared this one. Shibut kamal and shabut kamal. Okay, let's change that. Kamal. All right, this is plural. Okay, good afternoon, malak shangdar. Good afternoon, Malak Shangdar, Shibut Kamal, Shabut Kamal. And this one, Shibut Kamal is singular and Shabut Kamal, it is plural. Okay, good evening, Malak Tiang. You can also change this one. Good evening, Malak Tiang. You can say she, okay, like I say, be familiar with she. She Tiang Kamal. And you can also say Xia Tiang Kamal. Okay. Good evening, Ma Leka Tiang. This is just normal way of saying it, but the real one is Chitian Kamal. Good evening. Chitian Kamal. This is plural and this one is singular, okay? Another way of saying how are you? How are you mean male. Male. How are you? Male. How is everything? Tidial wakedi. How is everything? Tidial wakedi. How have you been? How have you been? Chawedi keji. Chawedi keji. We have friendly greetings. Mimo. Jin mamadu lari male. Friendly greetings. Mi jiki yana masdo. Okay, shala friendly greetings. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Hey, jereka male. Male, wedi. Male, wedi. Hey, wedi. Hey, what's up? Male, wedi. This one, long time no see. Long time no see. You can say Chagwa mi bar kane menen. Long time no see. Chagwa mi bar kane menen. How is your day going? How is your day going? Chengdu wedi. Chibudidi. You can also say it like that. Chengdu wedi. Or you can say Chibudidi. How is your day going? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Chagwango shajenen. Chagwango shajenen. Good to see you. Chagwango shaji. And then guasam, you can use the same thing. Chagwango shajenen. Good to see you. Chagwango shajenen. Polite greeting or like milleran male. Ala shiraka nere male. A peli road pin. Nere male kalus. Chale polite greeting. Kuran larmale ram tek kien ram gujimono de larmale. Then be nermale pelle road pin be ngach. No. Greetings shwalka ke jekni. Jekni. Mutu gujaka polite greeting. It is a pleasure to meet you. It is a pleasure to meet you. Katuk English. De larno etaloash medit and wo she conject. Etaloash medit and wo she conject. How do you do? We edikeji. How do you do? We edikeji. Hope you are doing well. Hope you are doing well. Nga seje and wo we agwa. Nga seje and wo we agwa. Atekon kadeshwal ke casual greetings. Just Nyingwechar. Yo. Male. I there. Male is the same thing. Yo. Yo. In Thok Nath you can say Male. I think we don't have that. Hey. Male. Hi there. Male. Okay. What's going on? Angutuoko. What's going on? Angutuoko. How is life? Take weight. Take weight. So these are the things in con they learn mijiram guru dong they talk English Thok Nath greeting. Okay. Gwa bana nyo jikali sandra den chwe poro jano be no language school be support be subscribe be like be share. Please do not forget to help this channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so when we upload a new lesson you can be notified. Okay. Bye bye.